Hey everyone, I haven't posted in a couple days on the 120 days of phrasal verbs, but I did want you to know that I did have a fun activity with the phrase it to cards. I've been fighting a cold, so that's why I haven't posted much lately. But I wanted to show you something I did with my preschooler with the phrase it to cards. It's really fun. You just take the 50 of the nouns. There's 50 nouns in the phrase it to card deck, and then I have, the phrase it to 50 phrasal verbs, so you can mix and match. But what I did with my preschooler is I ended up taking a handful of the nouns, not all 50, but just this handful of nouns, and I laid them out. And this is great for 5, 6-year-olds, even 7, 8-year-olds who are learning literacy, really that first reader sight word kid demographic. And you lay out the words, and I laid all these out, but just for a quick example, I would lay these out and I would say, lot. Find the word lot. And he would point, and then I'd say ding, and then I could give him 5 points, or I could give him a high five or something. And then I would just say each of these words out loud, like, okay, find book. Find the word book. And he would do that. And then I'd flip it over, and then he would see the other words. And so it's really good for word recognition, sound vocabulary practice for your learners. So whether you're teaching kids or even adult English language learners who are trying to identify the sounds with the words, the phrase it to card deck works really well with that because we have 50 nouns. And then I have different ways. There's instruction cards in here in a variety of ways to play. But you can go to my link in the description in my bio, and you'll find this card deck there. Or just go to Amazon.com and you can type in phrase it to card game. So hopefully that tip helps you, but my preschooler had a blast with this. So hopefully it'll be fun for you and your students.